Okay, if you guys have never seen this before, this is the best way by far to cook corn on the cob in the microwave. Here we go. Just take your corn on the cob, put it in the microwave on a paper towel for 2 minutes each side. Okay, after 2 minutes on one side, I just take the cob, flip it over, and put it in for 2 minutes on the other side. Okay, that's 2 minutes on each side, total of 4 minutes. Take the corn, put it on a cutting board, and get yourself a sharp knife. Go to the end of the corn where the stalk was, where it was attached to the stalk, and cut it right off so you catch just about the last row of kernels. And then check this out. Woo! That's it. Corn on the cob. No hairs, no fuss, no muss. Give it a try.